Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option that hides the bill amount column from the sale bill search screen. By default, when modifying a voucher, the bill amount column is visible in the search results. To hide this column, go to the Logic folder and run Logic admin. Open Global Settings, and under the Sale Settings 1 section, locate the option labeled Hide Bill Amount column in Sale Bill Search. Enable this option and save the settings. After restarting the software, you will notice that when modifying a bill and the search list appears, the bill amount column is no longer displayed.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.